For this next build on my Avenger, I'm going to be installing the front wheel. This is a second generation XPED wheel, and to be able to tell the difference that it has the engraving, the first generation does not have the engraving. And also Engine Tricks has made one just like this with smaller spokes. But basically, to install the front wheel, you'll notice that there's washers here, and one washer needs to be on the outside, and that's to prevent your bolt from scratching your forks when you're tightening these. And then you want another washer on the inside, and that prevents your wheel from rubbing against the fork in here. Now, I ran my scooters for a long time without these washers, and it works just fine that way, but I'm kind of a perfectionist and I like to make sure everything is working in order. Now, these forks are a bit scratched. I'll probably replace them later with some newer ones or paint them or something. But that's basically how you're going to install the front wheel. And here's a video of me installing it. You're going to put the axle in, and what I like to do is make sure the axle is just sticking out, just enough for the washer to hold on there. Because it's kind of tricky getting this washer on the other side when you push it through. A little tricky. Now there is a center spacer in the wheel, and that's where I like to take a screwdriver and kind of, or whatever, like one of these, just put it right through and kind of wiggle it around until the axle goes through the center spacer. And you want to do it to where you just start seeing your axle